Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. So today I'm going to take you into my formal living room. This is where you walk in, you first walk in the house. It's right in the front, by the front door. So in this room I'm going to mostly decorate with all my antiques and blue and white vases and a touch of green. So that's how I'm going to decorate this room, which is going to be really fun. I'm going to just love it. So, okay, so this fireplace is the original fireplace. It was built, I think, in 1905 when the house was built. And then they have these two cute little windows on the side, which I adore. So what I'm thinking of doing in here, I actually want to shiplap the whole walls, and then I want to put bookcases right here under the windows, so I can have more spaces where I can put my decor things, all the old books that I want to put. So that'll be really fun. That's what I'm thinking of doing it. I'm not going to do it. I think I'm going to hire someone to build them. So I think that's going to be really nice. And I just love this little corner here too. I put a little, this actually is an antique lamp. And then I put the barn ladder right there. Okay, so right here, I'm going to show you what I put on this mantle, and I'll explain to you guys, and maybe I'll give you guys some ideas and a little inspiration. Okay, so let me show you what I have on top of the mantle. I have this mirror I had for a very, very long time. It's not an antique mirror, but it looks like kind of an antique mirror. I got it a long time ago, 15 years ago, but I just love it. So I put it up there. I added those two bird candles, which I have for a very, very long time too, which I just adore them. They're so cute, just look at them, blue and white. And then I got that vase, I think from Hobby Lobby. And then I just put it on top of a little like wooden pedestal. So I want to still keep that rustic, vibe, farmhouse in here still. And I wanted to keep it a cottagey feel too. So that's what I'm going with in here. So then I have some gold candlesticks on the side. I have it on that side too, that golden candlestick. Very cute. Okay, and then I have this plant. I got this from Hobby Lobby maybe like 2 years ago, but it looks so real. And then I put a little basket that I actually got from Target. And then I just put the plant in there. Okay, so down here, I don't know, this used to be, I think it's electric now, the fireplace, but it originally is a wood burning fireplace. So we might put it back to wood burning. We don't know yet, so we're leaving it like that. So this chair I found actually here in the farm. It's an old antique chair. It's a child's chair. So I just put the pillow and then I put that blanket just to bring in the green. And I got a lot of green from the plants. So, it's like, it looks good together. It's bringing, dragging the green from the plants in. All right, and then I got this beautiful fiddle leaf tree from Target. I just love it. It's very good quality. It looks really real. And yeah, I just love it. So, and I love the little basket that I have it in. That is from Opal House. I just love it. It's so pretty. I love the legs on it. And then I got two vases, I think from Hobby Lobby, and the other one, Bed Bath & Beyond, I think. And then I have my two mirrors, my antique mirrors back there that are real antique. They're very old. So I put them there, and I think they look pretty good. I just love them. I don't know if I'm going to change them, but I'm loving them right there right now. You can always put mirrors. If you have like a lot of mirrors, you want to showcase them, you can actually put them on the floor, and stack them. That looks really pretty like that. All right, so you can see I'm bringing a lot of plants in for the spring, which I'm really loving. These are fake plants, but I'm trying to bring in some real ones too. So, and if I do, I will show you them. Okay, let me show you what I have on my coffee table. Maybe I'll inspire you with my coffee table. Okay, so right here you can see I'm using a basket again. It's like the same tone of basket. So, I still want that cottagey feel. So that's why I'm using a lot of baskets. So this is what I did. I took that fern, I bought it from Target, it's a small one, which I love to get small plants like that because you can work it into your bookcases, on your table, coffee table, side table. So I got these old antique books, and you see that's green right there, so I can pull in the green. So I'm using green books. Okay, and then I just put the fern on top. I am using, as you can see, the little birdie that's blue and white, and then you see the balls that are blue and white. So everything is like, coming together. So whenever you're adding another color in your room, make sure you're pulling it from, like books or a blanket or another little vase. So I think it looks really pretty. I'm loving it. It looks really springish. This I'm really happy with. So yeah, so that's all I really did for spring. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the way I decorate. Let me know what was your favorite, and let me know if you like what I did. And if you have any questions, leave the questions down below. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life.